Because the survival tabs contain optimum nutrition with a minimum of calories, it is an ideal food for weight loss and weight maintenance. For weight loss, eat 2 regular meals each day and substitute your third meal with 3 to 6 survival tabs. If you prefer to eat just 1 meal a day, you can substitute the other 2 meals with 3 to 6 survival tabs per meal, or a few more as needed. The exact amount of the survival tabs eaten is an individual decision and must be monitored and adjusted by you. Remember to eat at least 1 balanced meal daily, of at least 600 to 800 calories in conjunction with the survival tabs plan. Substitute all of your between-meal snacks with the survival tabs, drink 6 to 8 glasses of water each day and watch the pounds go away. The survival tabs has no chemical appetite suppressants, and each of the tabs contains only 20 calories. Consult your physician before beginning any weight loss or weight maintenance program. It is not uncommon during the first week of exclusively using the survival tabs an average person may lose as much as 5 to 8 pounds. This is mainly due to the emptying of digested food in the intestinal tract. After the first week, weight loss may level off to 0 to 2 pounds per week. During this time your body uses stored fat for energy. This usually occurs if a person continues their normal daily activities, and would be considered normal weight loss if a person were on a diet.